Why does your scanner show the P0043 engine code? What does it mean? P0043 is a diagnostic trouble code for H02S heater control circuit, high bank 1 sensor 3. The P0043 engine error code means your vehicle's engine control unit has detected an abnormally low voltage reading in the heater control circuit for the oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 3. This indicates an issue with the sensor's internal heating element reaching its optimal operating temperature. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuse, failed oxygen sensor, poor electrical connection, ECU issues, damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Mitsubishi, Toyota, Nissan, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.